that bites. Oh, it bites like a normal clutch.
All right, so
Damn, is it just a fucking roast on Nate's birthday?
Wow. Nah, dude. I'm so excited.
Right.
I'm driving my Gran Turismo starter car from when I was 5.
So I'm letting John drive my Miata. We're gonna see if this is a mistake or not.
Can I tell you something? This is probably one of the easiest clutches I've ever used. That's so good.
It's really easy.
That feels amazing. Ooh. A little bit too much gas. Sorry, I'm not trying to ride the shit out of your clutch.
Yeah, try not to.
Come on, baby, come on. Oh, that's nice. You know, except for being really fucking cramped in this seat, because these seats are, I mean, they're OEM, but they're not.
Yeah, someone
This is really nice.
rebolstered the seats so you sit way high.
Oh, that picks up quite nice. That's not bad.
Yeah.
Oh my god, the handling.
It's like a go-kart,
It
dude.
is like a
I
go-kart.
told you.
This is sick. This is so cool.
See, I knew you'd like it.
Damn. 30 years, man. Fuck, dude. It still drives like new.
Yeah. This thing's in good shape, man.
I'm not shifting it too bad either.
Now you're doing fine.
Oh. See, that's a nice clutch. That's not something that like you have to learn.
No, this is.
You know what I mean?
Anyone
This
can
is
drive
this
it.
is hop in and drive it.
Yeah. Very easy.
Oh my god. Dude, I drove this better than I drove Frank's BRZ. That's a 2013.
Yeah, it's not. It's a little different. Every car's a little different.
What a machine! That's a touchy throttle too. That's really nice.
Cable driven.
That picks right up.
Cable driven.
I'm gonna give a Jeremy Clarkson fucking review on the fucking first gen Miata. Oh, that clutch is so easy. I'm in love with that clutch. I'm so in love with that clutch. That's so good. Oh, it drives like it's new, and I can't believe
It's awesome.
It drives like it's new. That's insane. That's nuts.
That's why I don't.
It's a fucking dream.
I hope whoever buys it leaves it how
Oh
it
my
is.
God.
It's like brand new still.
Can I do a second lap?
Yeah, dude, go that way this time or something.
Oh, yeah. Oh my god, it's so good. It's fucking excellent. It's simply one of the best manual cars I've ever driven. Like you know, like I want it to be ironic and I want it to be funny about it, but I'm being serious. This is amazing.
Well, see, now you get why people love Miatas.
It's easy. It's just easy. It's just easy.
So you go back and forth with the steering just to see how it feels.
That is tight. That's really not bad. Honestly, I feel like that is less bad. Fucking less body roll to my C4.
I'm sure it is.
Oh, that's honestly like once you get used to like the sideways leg thing, it's not that bad either.
Yeah.
You know. Hey, you know what? If that's the only adjustment that I have to make driving a car, dude, I'll take it. Fucking honestly.
If I was keeping this, I would redo these seats and take out some of the cushioning.
100%. This is.
And then it'd be good.
Dude, I feel like I'm in a fucking truck, dude. Like I just.
That's why I had
one of these, dude.
That's why I had to lean so far back.
Yeah, I don't blame you. I only moved it a smidge. It's nice. It's nice and it picks up nice. Or street to turn off of up here?
Oh
God, sorry.
Maybe. Maybe not. I don't know. No, I don't think so.
Shit.
You're going right to Palm Beach.
Fuck it, I just will hop on and make a U-turn. I think I've proven I can handle the fucking clutch.
Yeah.
You should have seen me driving Nate's Rabbit, dude.
How was that? The old cable-driven clutch, right?
It was fine, but the issue is the clutch didn't bite until all the way up top, right?
Yeah.
And the biggest issue was, dude, it wouldn't go into fucking first. That's the biggest issue.
Yeah, I drove it. It was, you know, it's a little weird to get used to.
You know, it's old.
Well, I mean, it's just a completely different feeling driving that versus a hydraulic clutch.
So this is hydraulic. So, oh wait, so his is not hydraulic.
No, his is, I think, cable driven, I'm pretty sure. Which is probably why it feels so weird. Old Hondas were like that too, back in the 80s, I think.
Yeah. Alright, give it a little gas. There we go. Fully matted.
There it goes.
Look at that! Not fucking bad. I felt a piece of dirt get in my eye.
Yeah, same.
Oh, God. Not bad. That's nice. Oh, come on. In, there we go, in the first. Oh, little notchy. There she goes, there she goes. If it's any consolation, me doing those pulls is cleaning out your fuel system. That's me helping the next owner. You're welcome, whoever buys this.
Doing God's work.
It's so nice. I love it.
It's awesome, right?
It's fantastic. It drives amazing. Like I was gonna make a meme out of it, but I can't.
That's too good.
Like I'm so impressed. I can't fucking joke about it. This is probably one of the nicest, if not nicest, and fucking manual car I've ever driven in my life. That was an absolute blast, and we didn't exceed 60 miles an hour.
Yeah, that's awesome.
That's fucking fantastic.
You don't even break the law in this, and you have fun.
You don't break the law. You have fun. It's a 5-speed. It's a manual. It's a fucking drop top, dude. You're in Florida. This is the place for drop tops.
That's perfect.
Buy a Miata. buy this one. $9,000 OBO. Low mileage too. 117,000, and it doesn't have a single sad boy sticker on it.
Nope.
That's a rarity.
Very rare these days.
No broken hearts. No sad boys. You can't even listen to fucking Juice WRLD in this thing, dude. It's a crime.
It's not allowed.
I went down the right street, didn't I?
No, you didn't.
Oh, are you serious?
Go right.
Fuck.
Go right here at the stop sign.
I was so excited about it, I went down the wrong street. There it goes. Oh, there we go. I'm getting a little more adjusted to the clutch. Oh, God. What a fucking car.
So fun, dude. I wish I could keep it.
So good. It's so good. It's the best manual car I've ever driven. It's better than Frank's BRZ, and that thing is, what, 25 years newer? It's better than that. This is the easiest fucking clutch I've ever felt. I think the only second easiest was Gavin's Mark IV, because that was pretty easy. But because of that tune that's on it, you can't exceed like $3,500. Otherwise, it starts two-stepping.
Yeah.
Amazing. Simply made 9,500 OBO, $10,000. $10,000.
10K now. All right.
10K OBO.
Do I hear 11?
Bear Jackson. Bear Jackson.
Oh, I'm glad you liked it.
That was a blast. That was one of the best experiences I think I've ever had driving a stick shift car. That was excellent.
Time to hop in here now?
Yeah.
I guess so. Let's hop in.
Oh, dude, that was so good. Thank you. Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome.
That was fucking amazing.
Yeah,
That's
I figured you would like it.
That's so good.
Everyone needs to drive one once.
I didn't like cook the shit like out of the clutch or anything, right?
I think you were good.
I did a couple pulls too, dude. Honestly, a lot of fun. A lot of fun.
All I hear is a fucking...
And you know what? Honestly, for once, it's nice to appreciate that it's quiet.
Oh yeah, it is.
actually.
It is actually nice, to be honest.
Wait, is that a helmet? Colby, what are you doing in here?
He's
There's
racing
a
people, dude.
fucking helmet in here.
We don't talk about that, guys.
That's gonna make good fucking MID content.
That's like the only stock Miata I've ever heard is mine. Everyone you see, they all have fart cans.
Oh, excellent. I'm trying to fit in here with my fucking glasses on. How do you release the thingy-majigger?
I can't fucking see. Thanks, Sean.
Ah, fuck.
Alright, so now we're going to test Colby's wheel hub.
How do you lift the visor on the helmet? Is there a release on it? I can't put my glasses on with it on.
It's on the side.
Oh, shit. Yeah. Fucking race car, dude. Trying to fucking race? Oh, there's a strap in my way. you know, I'm in Racer X mode now, dude. It's fucking cozy in here, I'll tell you what.
I got a big ass head.
How's it feel, Colby? He did that pretty quick.
Well, yeah, he's getting good at it.
It's been like an hour and he had the whole thing fucking... I mean, like, we did half of it yesterday. We did half the job yesterday, but shit, Colby, you